We'll guide you through how to lock a column in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Sheets document where you want to lock the column. Once your sheet is open, go and look for the column you want to lock. Click on the letter at the top of the column to select the entire column. Now, head over to the top menu and click on Data. From the drop-down menu, select Protect Sheets and Ranges. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. In this sidebar, click on Add a Sheet or Range. You'll see options to name your protected range. This can be helpful if you're protecting multiple areas. Under Range, you'll notice the column you selected is already filled in. Now, click on Set Permissions. A new dialog box will pop up with range editing permissions. Here, you can choose to restrict who can edit this column. You can either select only you or choose specific people who can edit by clicking on Custom. If you choose Custom, you'll be able to add email addresses of people who should have access. Once you've set your permissions, click Done to save your settings. This will effectively lock the column, and only the people you specified will be able to make changes. Locking a column is a great way to prevent accidental edits or to ensure that important data remains unchanged. Just remember, even though the column is locked, people with view access can still see the data. If you ever need to unlock the column, simply return to the Protect Sheets and Ranges sidebar. Select the range and adjust the permissions accordingly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.